the #1 citizen. What a way to welcome your governor.
My deputy has said a lot because this event is an event. My own role here, let me say, as my deputy, I want to give vote of thanks. Yes. But my vote of thanks will not just be vote of thanks. I will try to put in every other things here mentioned in it. First, let me appreciate every speaker here. You have used very beautiful words, kind words, describing me as a peace-loving person, as a humble person. I want to thank you for that. I want to also thank you for coming out to support your sister, the people of Akabuga, Yoba, Ebe Mandoni, people in extension, and the wonderful people of River State. Because I can see people from other local government that are here to grace this occasion. The chairman of this event said something, and he hammered on issue of peace. And I want to assure everyone that we are not unaware of the importance of peace. And that is the reason why our disposition, our approach has always been towards maintaining peace. We can't develop in an environment of chaos. We can't attract any project to Akabuga when there is trouble. So let me, on behalf of the government, apologize to my deputy. The apology is because he said people were mocking her. The people that are mocking you should realize that that 2 years was 2 years of trouble. I don't think that 2 years, even you slept with your 2 eyes closed. If you're sleeping, you'll be wondering what is going to happen in the next by 6 a.m. Because the trouble start coming from 6 a.m. So now that we have peace, now that we have understanding, I can assure you, issue of the internal road will be addressed. The situation of your school, I think the complaint about your school, we are going to look into it. We are not going to give you polytechnic. So please, you already have a polytechnic in Omok. I believe that that can take care of the issue of tertiary institution. So we cannot promise you that. But I can assure you here, as a governor of your state, that as soon as we leave here, that the process for assessing the internal road will immediately commence. And the state of your school, I assure you immediately, the Ministry of Education will come for inspection, and what we need to do, we'll do immediately. But we have only one small request. That request is this. We want everybody to understand that we need peace. We want everybody, just like the chairman said, embrace this peace with openness. Some 2 years ago, if we had come for this event, there are some persons that will not be here. But today they are here. Means there is a positive step, and there is sign that truly peace has returned to Rivers State. So I want to thank everyone, more especially my Oga, the Honorable Minister. I want to thank him because we are not standing here every speech. There is none that is made without mentioning him. And the truth is, he was instrumental. So we appreciate that, and we're not taking it for granted. So let me, on behalf of the government and the good people of Rivers State, assure everyone that we are committed to this peace, and that we'll make sure everything that needs to be done and maintained, so that development will come to all parts of Rivers State. Let me thank the traditional rulers here. Let me thank the youth here. Somebody challenged that is the most peaceful community. I agree, because I'm here. But I know my community is more peaceful than this place. It's the truth. But since I'm here, let me admit that yes, it's peaceful. But maintain the peace. So let me thank everyone again. More especially everyone that has suffered one pain or the other because of this process. You can see what we are enjoying today. Atmosphere of understanding, evidence of improvement that will warrant positive progress amongst ourselves and the society at large. I thank every one of you for supporting your sister. It's your sister. You need to support her. I thank the people of Obebema, Tony at large for the confidence you have, my deputy. And I assure everyone that we'll continue to work together, and I will continue to accord her the respect that she deserves. Not because I'm the governor, but because she's also a human being that deserves respect. So thank you for your time. Thank you for the wonderful gifts. You have given me walking stick, had 100 tubers of yam, many cows. But as I'm living here, I want to increase my ranch. So it means I'm already just coming to Akabuga. Akabuga has made me rich. So God will bless every one of you. Let me end it here by giving God all the glory for this special day that the people of Akabuga has come dedicated to honor their sister. May God bless you all for this honor. Thank you, and God bless you all.